Transition connect clip smoothly. To add one, tap the small white box between two clips. Choose a transition style. And set the duration. Simple transition work best for beginner videos. Don't overuse transition. Clean cuts with a few smooth transitions looks more professional.